In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate your time difference here in Google Sheets using an add-on. So if you're working on a spreadsheet just like mine and you want to calculate the time difference or the duration between two dates, in this example, I have some projects that have their starting date and their finish date. If I try and calculate the duration right here by doing equal sign, this date minus this date, and press enter, Google Sheets will give me this value which really don't make sense for me. But if we try an add-on called TIMEDIF, it will calculate the days, hours, minutes, seconds of the duration given your starting date and your finish date. So let's go ahead and find that add-on here in our extensions, click on add-ons, and then get add-ons. You'll have your Google Workspace Marketplace here. Type in the search bar TIMEDIF. Here it is, just click on that. And here we have it. If you click on it, you will have your install button right here. I already have mine installed. Once you've allowed those permissions, go ahead and close that off and refresh your page. Right away, you will see your TIMEDIF add-on here on the side panel if you click on it. Here we have it. So the next step would be just select the range where you have your starting date and your finishing date. Then on the right side, go back and select the options where you want those days, hours, and minutes, seconds to be included with your duration. Once you've selected that and the options you want included in your duration, just click on Calculate Active Range. And it will automatically calculate all the time differences or the entire duration between those dates right here in your spreadsheet. And there you have it. We have our days, hours, minutes, and seconds that have been included with our duration based on your starting date and your finishing date. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly calculate your time difference with this great add-on here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.